Good morning. So I broke that cardinal rule of wearing a white t-shirt at the allotment. I must be off my head. But I've come over just for a few hours, do a little bit of potting and some planting out. I want to put some lettuces out. I know we've got a little bit of frost coming, but I'll put some fleece over. We've got plot inspection on Friday, as I mentioned in the last video, so I want it to look nice and, you know, the shop floor to look lovely. I bought some organic fertiliser as well. So I'm going to pop that on the bean trench, and I'm going to feed some of the onions with it. So let's get all those little fun jobs done. It's the time to have fun now at the allotment. So I bought some Grow Organic. I love this stuff. It's brilliant for like fruit, veg, flowers, the lawns. It's amazing stuff. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to put that in the bean trench and then just feed some of the plants that I can see they're going a little bit yellow, like the garlic. Also, the greenhouse is looking amazing. Whoa. That's one of the downsides of being really tall. I'm like Bill off Bill and Van's Allotment, so if you haven't seen their channel, go and take a look. Right, let's show you what I've done in here. As you can see, by planting these inside, all the strawberry plants are coming to life now. They're flowering, they're creating small little strawberries. So I'm really happy. I'm going to put some shallots out today. I've got, yay, so finally my sugar snap peas have come up. I've been waiting for those for the last couple of days. Some cucumbers, ooh, I better fleece those over. My first of my SSP potato challenge on Digwell Green Fingers is showing his little head. And also, I've got a pile of, what are these? Rocket. I've got some radish to go out, some red cabbage, some kales, and also my filderkraut can be potted up today. There's so much that needs to be put out. This was a mystery plant and is actually a forget-me-not. So, oh, and also my nicotiana is coming up as well. My lettuces, oh god, they're huge. So they need to go out, otherwise they're going to bolt. So I think I'm going to do some loads of planting today, and I know I'm going to enjoy this morning because this is my favourite time, just planting things out, feeding, watering. I love that, absolutely love it. Right, let's get on. So what I thought I'd do now is I thought I'd just chop the tops of these field beans that I grew over winter. The main plan for these were not to grow them for crops or anything, was to grow the roots for the nitrogen that they produce. I'll show you now. I don't know if you can see, but on here there's like little small nodules, and those are nitrogen, which will give the plants, future plants that go in, feed. So these beds haven't been fed or anything since I moved onto the plot. There's a lot of stones and bits of plastic and stuff which I'm picking out, but I did dress it with a bit of manure in the autumn. So this is what you call chop and drop. What a beautiful time now to be planting things out. We've got some rain focus this afternoon, so this is perfect time to bed things in and let nature do its thing. I've got some mustards, some lettuces, some spring onions, and also some rocket to put in. I'm just going to pop them all in now in this bed. They're extras really because the polytunnel, I've got the main crop in, but they're just spares. I've also got some gladioli bulbs, so I'm going to place at the bottom of the bed so that when I walk in, maybe have a nice flush of colour there as well. So I think first of all, I'll put the gladioli bulbs in. Pointed end up, place in, and just cover. As simple as that. The thing is about planting is you've always got to forward think for the next season, otherwise you'll just be left with, well, just greenery. Add some colour into your beds. Right, so the gladioli are there. Let's put some in. I think we'll put some lettuce in first. How beautiful are these oak leaf lettuce? Nice little plug plants. I didn't water them today on purpose so that I can plant these out easily. Drop it in, and there you go. Right, let's get all this done. And there we have it, all the salad, well, the extra salad. I've already got that, like I said, the polytunnel full, and now all my extra spring onions and my salad there ready for a nice crisp spring and summer salads. Well, it started raining. I spoke too soon. Look at the state of my t-shirt.